Scary Halloween Indoor Decorations 2025. Embrace the darkness and turn your home into a haunting spectacle this season. While outdoor displays catch the eye of trick-or-treaters and neighbors, creating an eerie atmosphere indoors sets the stage for a memorable Halloween. From subtle spooky touches to full-on haunted house effects, these scary Halloween indoor decorations will make your home the talk of the town. The unliving room, a haunted haven. Your living room is the heart of your home, and for Halloween, it becomes the center of the haunt. Start by draping black, sheer, or worn fabrics over furniture to create a feeling of age and neglect. This simple change instantly sets a gothic mood. For the mantle, go for a truly macabre display. Arrange a collection of skulls and bones with flickering battery-operated candles. A light dusting of fake cobwebs woven between these objects adds an eerie touch. Old leather-bound books and potion bottles enhance the mysterious, witchy vibe. For your walls, consider swapping out family photos for haunted portraits. You can easily find or create prints of vintage-style portraits with subtle changes, like glowing eyes or a ghostly figure in the background. Place these in ornate, dark frames for a convincing effect. Another effective method is to use blacklight or colored floodlights to cast red, green, or blue hues over the room, giving everything an otherworldly and chilling appearance. Creating a creepy, crawly kitchen. The kitchen, often warm and welcoming, is perfect for a scary makeover. Use festive and frightening tabletop decor. A bloody butcher's shop theme is always popular. Hang fake body parts from meat hooks and use rusty-looking knives as props. For a more subtle yet unsettling approach, create a spooky charcuterie board. A plastic skeleton can serve as the base, with meats and cheeses arranged to form a gruesome yet tasty display. Instead of traditional fruit bowls, fill a large glass jar with a cauliflower brain and colored water for a horrifying centerpiece. Old empty bottles can become poison or elixir bottles with custom labels and colored liquid inside.
These small details make a big impact and ensure every corner of your home is part of the spooky theme. The devil is in the details. A guide to indoor Halloween. Don't overlook the power of small details when creating a spooky atmosphere. Indoor Halloween decorations are about more than just large props. They're about setting a mood. Halloween lights are a simple yet important element. Use orange and purple string lights to outline doorways and windows, or place flickering LED lights inside carved pumpkins or decorative lanterns for an eerie glow. DIY projects can add a personal and spooky touch. Change ordinary leaves into ghostly figures or bats with a little paint and string for a fun yet chilling project. Turn old jars into lanterns with painted designs of a jack-o'-lantern or ghost. A graveyard terrarium in a fishbowl with miniature headstones made from painted rocks is another great way to give a unique, macabre touch to any shelf or coffee table. For a true haunted house effect, consider investing in motion-activated animatronics. These are the top choice for scary Halloween decor. A tapping witch figure on the wall or a skeleton that lurches forward as someone walks by guarantees a jump scare. Even without animatronics, you can create a sense of movement with ghostly figures made from cheesecloth draped from the ceiling or stairwell. Spooky scares in every nook and cranny extend the scary Halloween decor to every part of your home. For the staircase, wrap the banisters with black and orange streamers and hang small ghost or bat cutouts from the railings. This simple decoration makes a big impact and guides guests deeper into your haunted space. In the bedroom, change out throw pillows and blankets for Halloween-themed ones featuring designs like bats, black cats, or spiderwebs. For a complete experience, add sound and scent. Play a soundtrack of eerie ambient noises, creaking doors, and ghostly whispers. Use Halloween-themed scented candles with aromas of cinnamon, spiced apple, or wood fire to create a cozy yet mysterious atmosphere. These sensory details are often overlooked, but essential for a full experience. The final touches, making it unforgettable when it comes to decorating. Balance is key. You can lean into a specific theme, like a gothic mansion or a mad scientist's lab, or mix and match various spooky elements. Layer different textures and materials, from fake cobwebs and dried branches to velvet and lace, to add depth to your display. Remember, the goal is to create an experience that feels real and eerie. Every piece of your Halloween should contribute to the overall atmosphere. Whether it's a carefully placed jack-o'-lantern, a suitably lit corner, or a creepy animatronic, each element plays a part in the story you're telling. So, dim the lights, turn up the eerie music, and let the scares begin. A few words on frightful finds and ideas. I often get questions about how to make a home genuinely frightening for Halloween without overspending. It really comes down to creativity and using what you already have. You can create some spine-chilling decorations from items you own or can find at a thrift store. For example, old sheets make perfect ghosts, and cardboard can be turned into realistic-looking tombstones with a little chalkboard paint. It's a fun and sustainable way to decorate. Another common question is about making decor feel cohesive and not just a mix of random spooky items. The key is to choose a theme or color palette and stick with it. Whether it's a classic black and orange, a sophisticated gothic look with deep burgundies and purples, or a modern minimalist style with subtle black and white accents, a consistent theme ties everything together. This makes your decor look intentional and well-planned, rather than just tossed together. And for those with smaller spaces, you don't need a large house to create a terrifying atmosphere. Focus on key areas like your entryway, a single bookshelf, or your coffee table. Use string lights and smaller tabletop decor to maximize impact in a limited space. Remember, even a single well-placed prop, like a creepy skeleton hand emerging from a vase, can be enough to frighten someone. It's all about making every detail count.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.